What's up? Danny Highsoccer with Call One Inc. helping people do their business better. Today we're going to talk about the Jabra Biz 2400 2 series, so stay tuned. Alright, so Jabra Biz 2400 2 II Roman numeral 2 come in a variety of models. So they're available in not only USB, but they're also available in QD variants, and they come in single ear, dual ear, as well as 3-in-1, which is a convertible style headset that allows you to change the configuration of the wearing style from over the ear to behind the neck to headband style. Additionally, you have the ability to get the USB version with the Bluetooth sort of chip built into it. So then now you can use that same headset on your PC and your mobile device. But then they also have the inline control, the USB variant that is the contact center variant. And that's the one I have right now. That's the one I'm going to show you guys. But the contact center variant has an inline control that does not have the Bluetooth built in because some contact centers don't support Bluetooth in their environments. These range, price range anyway, they start with an MSRP of $188 and they go all the way up to $220. So this is a premium headset. If you notice on the headband, they all got this nice little pad to support all day wear. This is an extremely light headset. These little guys flip around all over the place, so there's a lot of give. Biz 2400 2 allows you to spin 360 degrees without breaking. So that is a great feature so that you don't break those microphones. All right, so call the folks over at Call One Inc. Or Hell Direct, our sister company Hell Direct, if you want to learn more about Jabra solutions, if you want to learn about setting up a pilot or a proof of concept. But let's just get into plugging this guy in. But let's just get into it. All right. And as always, before we do anything, we make sure that the device is up to date. And I just wanted to kind of show some of the device settings that are available. You have tone settings, basic peak stop protection, mute reminder tone, optimized for music, button sounds, soft phone integration, ringtone and headset. If you look at the contact center variant, right, the USB version of this, in the inline control, you're going to have the multiple buttons that are available. Beyond the answer, hang up button, volume up, down, and the mute button, you can change the function of each of these buttons through Jabra Direct. So here's all that information. Again, strongly recommend that you download the software and update the firmware and then customize the headset how you want it. All right, let's get into some testing. All right, so we're back. We updated the firmware. If you look at the inline control of the contact center variant of the 2400, because they do have the one inline control with the Bluetooth, which is kind of like a little disc. We'll have Justin hopefully show that somewhere. Oh, maybe we showed it earlier in the video. I'll have him do that. So I have it plugged in. I'm using it. Let's do a quick little type test here. So I'm typing on my Logitech wireless keyboard. Test, 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 test. Talking and typing. All right. Now, again, this is ridiculously loud. Hopefully nobody has to be in this type of environment, but here we go. Test, test, 1, 2, the Jabra Biz 2400. Test, test, 1, 2, test, test, 1, 2. Let's test out the mute button. So I'm going to go ahead and okay, unmute. Another thing is it comes with a little lapel clip, and you can see you can put your like little name on there if you wanted to. So there you have the Jabra Biz 2400. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.